Hello babes, how una dey? How body? My name is Sonia, aka Gist na Food. Today I come talk about one story, one particular story wey I see for internet, I see for social media. That's me I come still talk my own aspect. But abeg, in case you hear any noise for the background, me no vex. So I get baby for house. So we say no say house, so we say pikin dey that house to avoid noise. Nah, problem. In short, most of the time, to even avoid noise, e dey almost impossible. Today matter wey come say I come talk with us, so I can't talk with una. We say e get one story we say I see for social media. That's me I come still shook my mouth put. This story not too, to me the story not too long ago. I'll just give the short summary of the story, then I will give my personal opinion we say I get for the story. And you know, say this life they don't finish. Anything we say I talk, we say you don't really relate with, we say you don't agree with, no verse, my love. You should leave up for the comment section below. And if you see agree with me, you see the reason we come say you agree. If you disagree, just respectfully, we will respect ourselves. Maybe you see leave up for the comment section below what you think. So the story more you go straight to the story. I'll just give the short story anyway. No need for me to come elaborate, come give long story, because like I say the one we talk for inside the matter, so it feel long well. So more not gonna use on that story till they chop the main reason make them say I want to do this video. So the story about one particular girl won't be saying he husband, whether the man dey for abroad, he can go marry the girl for Africa. You understand? As he marry the girl for Africa now, he can go back to abroad. So from time to time, they come they meet the girl for us. You understand? So as he meet the girl for us now, he can see if he go come meet the girl for us, cause he greet the girl, go come out. As that time, so the girl they stay with this man, mama. She understand? So as they stay with the man, mama, not very so. If they hear, she understand. Because they believe say you did it, you understand. Maybe for they go with the flow, maybe for they go with the ride. You know that? Just like food. I don't feel love. You understand? So from time now, the man from abroad, then they go as go they greet him wife for house. So not do from one pikin, two pikin, three pikin, maybe get reach like 4, 5 or 6 children. So but children follow the marriage come. And the woman, I think they stay with the woman, which is the woman. I bet if you hear any noise for the background, no verse, I get picking for us to beg. So the woman arrived from time, as in this particular girl, so a young girl, probably between the age range of 20 to 25, and that is young girl. They so we say they marry this man, we say they for abroad. So according to the story, nobody. Like when this girl, so when they stay with this man, we say he dey for abroad, so they stay with the man, mama for Africa, and two of the guys they stay for house. The girl and I get won't be say the man, mama, so for the sake, in short, for the sake of to come they talk say the man, the girl, the mama, may I just give the man now Thomas, may I give the girl now Jessica. Then the mama now mother-in-law, more just they go straight to the story. So Thomas now they come house time to time, come they greet Jessica for house. So and mother-in-law now, that will not get anything like suspicion to come they raise anything or say, come they raise one kind of eyebrow, say maybe this is Jessica, so they cheat on the son with Thomas. So they feel free, love there for the house and what not, everything they go out, everything they go fine, everything they go fine. So no eyes, no suspicion there for this girl body. She they feel the story. So, but the only time we say this girl now will take come up for us now, say they go outside. The only outside when they know the girl for them, they say the girl go they greet in own papa. She understand? They go their own in own house when we say from home. But I believe say according to the story, say maybe this girl, in mama no day alive again, maybe mama don't buy, or she understand maybe the mama don't buy. So time to time now, if the girl come for us, and the only place we see they talk saying they go now be your papa place. So if you can't reach the papa place, maybe if you spend like weekend, maybe you office go for visit, you go just come on, go back. So not do now. Later on, I can't be say one of the baby when we say this girl born for Thomas, so when Adelina so born Jessica so born for Thomas now come they sick. So they can't go hospital. Now I just short the story. They can't go hospital. Hospital don't feel treat the pikin. So as the mother-in-law, is they concerned to treat the pikin? If they consent to take the pikin, because if anything happen to the pikin now, Thomas wey be pikin wey say dey for abroad, you no go take am likely with mama wey be say e dey for Africa, wey say yes, supposed to dey look im wife and im children, wey be say e dey with her for there. So that one come dey find all possible means to take make am be say e look, to take get the cure of that pikin, of wetin go be say dey heal the pikin, wey go heal the pikin, wey come be say the pikin no go sick again. So understand, they come begin dey waka from hospital to hospital, hospital to hospital, hospital to hospital. You know how the story dey be for Africa now, when we say from hospital to hospital, they no really see solution. So you know say the thing don pass be careful, e don pass wetin physically or fit do. Now they come begin dey talk say as e be like this, so mo yo kukuma go spiritually, mo go consult, mo go look wetin be say dey happen to this pikin. So at first now, this Angelina so now, he no agree put. He say like he no believe all those kind of spirituality. Say maybe some people will say you carry matter go meet them, and if you go dey talk things will be say not supposed, if you go dey talk last night, so because say they know say the man so won't be say get the pikin so they for abroad for that reason, and if you go dey charge unnecessarily charges, and you know say most of all those spiritual things will be say they dey for Africa and to they get money, now they dey after one thing. Most of them one thing they don't they do. Now just they call they talk so they see this, so they see this, whereas they don't see anything. So according to for the beginning, so this particular guy, so he no agree say make he no agree make me say the mother-in-law so if he carry his children go the particular baby, so we say no way, so go spiritual place, go consult, go look what they happen to the pikin. So as we say, right now you can be say the woman which is the mother-in-law now was so concerned, because if anything happen and yet then we see the thing go happen to now everybody, they want point and then they go blame. Now most of the time say now the pikin for abroad they call say how you there, but they pass my phone, give my wife, I want to follow my wife talk. No, that kind of a story now. So the mother was so the mother-in-law was so concerned, say no, say this come around, so say go the girl, so say the girl may I beg, if I beg the girl say no green. When we say matter of life and death is involved, now first you can't force the girl say no to no, as the light to the light say no go. So because of that one, and the woman come, because of that one, come they involve the two families, come they see what they happen, say maybe they tell their pikin, or maybe their pikin follow them go the place when they go. You understand? So when we say family they involved now, this girl not gonna get choice now, order for her to take us say okay, in they go this particular place, so say maybe they go look what they really they happen to the pikin. Okay, so as they reach there, now as they all reach there, now the spiritual person come to say no. Say before this pikin, so say this pikin, particular pikin, so say as the pikin not well, so say the mama will say follow and come, so which is the Angelina, so say she know the cause of the sickness. So me come say this pikin is sick. We say for long they treat the pikin, say the pikin never well. Say so make she open her mouth, make she dey talk what really happen, make she confess. Then she come to say confess or no confess. Come to say confess. Then they come to say she must to confess. Now, let me say she go take confess. Now that sickness go take go on. Say, moreover, say if the girl so not confess the confession, so say when we say the sickness, let go of that small pikin. So say the rest children will say the girl born. Say me they see ready say he go see let go of those children too. And moreover, even the Thomas say we see there for abroad too. That one too. The thing we say see meet the children. So we say make them say they don't survive. And so that one will see go meet that one for abroad. We say that one definitely not go survive. And so for that reason, so the woman so which is the mother-in-law, we say even the Thomas and that come the panic, come the fear, come to say, man.
My in-law, my daughter, I don't say you married to Thomas, I beg. This one so I beg. I don't care to know now whether you ready or not ready. You must to swear that swear. To take save my pikin, to take save my grandchildren. If you like, you don't say don't want to marry again. Don't be pack your load and go, don't be forced. I beg. You must to swear that swear. Make you business they come out hand. Make them know whether you dey free or not. Oh, you dey free or not, that will not concern them. But make you swear the swear. Make you say a grandchildren. They safe, and Thomas will say they for abroad, they safe.
So they can't do now. The girl come to say okay, they can't finally bring the thing, come to make it deny and say whether she not go the shook leg for outside. So they can't tell say if she deny and make she talk, if she deny and say if she deny and instant say the results. Whether she go all let go for the place, so whether she go crazy for the place, so she feel get for the place, so nobody know what it be say go happen to her according to the story. So say before the girl even use the mouth to talk now, say the thing you catch the girl come begin dey confess, so say yes, so in the shook leg for outside though, say the shook leg for outside though, say the shook leg for outside though, say even the person they shook leg for outside with say the person even follow them day for the particular place, we see the day at that moment in time. So then they come dey wonder, say who go be the person we say he go know say they follow the girl, they shook the girl leg for inside. You understand? But if you follow the conduct kind place again, won't be the person that get the open to and you papa won't be say born and be the person will say he dey shook leg for outside. We say even not be even for won't be say she take married, that kind of thing they happen. Say don't say won't be say right won't be say she dey small. Neither particular thing say they happen to her. So it's not like they talk the matter. Then they can't tell the matter, they can't come out. Well, they can't settle the matter. Oh, the children come. I believe say from the story, I believe say as we say the girl don't talk, say what we say she know, what we say she do. I believe say definitely now the children go well, and the Thomas now no go get anything when we say go apple to run for their brother. And I still believe say you know that kind of African mentality when we say if a woman go shook leg for outside, what they cause for the house when we say they, most of the time if man don't, they feel spay away the man. I be what they make up say they make me my head they ring. Sometimes we say if man don't. Man go easily get away with it, but if woman do one, that's an abomination. Like to realize, either she kill fowl, she kill goat, or she kill cow. Even sometimes she even see do self of if she not do those things, say to kill what is all the killing. Won't say she need to kill. Say she will need to pack her look more for the herself because now taboo and most of the time family disgrace. The girl want come put for their own family. So that's the reason make me say I say I want to talk about me. What me see for this story be say. You know this abroad of a thing, look abroad, You know, say these days now, the way we say people take the reason they are abroad these days, now it's different from those days. The way people take the reason abroad those days. Those days, if woman saying marry man will be say they for abroad. If you see the kind of eyes when they look the woman, like the kind of respect when they put for that woman body, like they imagine say so they for abroad now they chop dollar, they chop euro, they chop naira, as in they chop money. Say money they say the only difference we say the husband not follow and they. In short, some people rather prefer that kind of marriage. Say when we say the husband go there for Kafashan or go there for Sokoto. Probably they see the money they eat, they don't get issue concerning this thing. But let me reason me come say I want all this story so because sometimes if someone could look this story now between this girl now and this man now, for instance, who be the person who say they're wrong for inside? You understand? Who be the person who say they're wrong for inside? Like who really put himself for that kind of situation? So because I look and say if me be man. Say maybe in a situation, let me come say I go Europe. Say maybe say I get wife for Africa. What if me go talk with my own be say, darling, if you feel wait for me, wait for me. If you not say nothing wait for me, I beg. I know the children don't they involved in the matter. So if you take care of the children, anyhow if they support you, I go they support you. Even say maybe say you don't marry, I go they support you, but maybe make sure say the children they okay. If I get any other thing, I'll take support this woman so maybe it can be land, it can be money to take open store, it can be money to take start business. I'll give the woman, maybe the woman take me carry on with his life. You know, say most of the time when we come say they talk and be say, so me I feel there for this abroad side now, the reason say they be mad, they can do anything and get away with it. They feel they friend. They feel they shook around, but they will believe say, maybe the woman will be say there for Africa, so make that woman so if you keep yourself for wait for Rambo because now only one be the key. We say go fit the open the woman gates. And so women now, then what we say maybe the time we say the man there for abroad before the time we say the man there for Africa before you come out for Africa say they go Europe side or when they go Western side so if they follow the woman discuss because of that prestige we say they get. Because of the money we say they involve, we say they get for that kind of marriage, we say husband go there for abroad because they believe say once the husband go abroad, so see that money go they pack come house. So because of that money, because of that prestige, we say they give most of the family sometimes. They also say yes, don't worry, I agree. You get one particular story one I will talk again because anyone get when we say you just really wed, when we say you just want to go abroad. But if you want hear the story, may you leave your comment if you want me to see listen to this story, so may you leave your comment at the comment section below. Just that food. I don't feel loud. That one I story for another day anyway. So who see they talk about this particular story, who say they talk so who will blame for this particular story? So you want me say you agree, say if your husband come out or you agree to even marry person, we say he dey for Europe sites with the opposite, the person will pay money they come for you. To me, on a normal grant, na the girl, that particular girl so, now me get big issue with. Now I go blame when we say you there for husband house. In short, you go to sleep with your own papa. Like you see one thing, the thing we say some kind things then we say we they use ear till they hear or they use eye till they see. Most of the time we they use ear till they hear them. If they hear them, they use a reason say whether that thing they really exist. Okay, how come you or for person, you want to go sleep for outside, which is I don't support am o. I not support anyone wants to go there for husband house. Say they come on go they stay for outside, go as you go they sleep for outside. Don't make more than one for road first. Me some people not see and say attack me, say come this girl, you own too much. I not support that one at the first place. So okay, you can come up for outside finish. Eh? Did they see? Say maybe say now another person, now you go. Maybe ex-boyfriend or friend. So person say no again me to go satisfy that pleasure. When say you want satisfy, you go come out now. Your papa won't be say, the person will be say. If I told you say husbands they pursue you, say you go wrong, go me to say papa will give you counsel, it say I beg. My pikin suffer beer. When your papa was supposed to really protect you safe for this kind of a thing. So me if you not go shook left for us, I want say go take put disgrace for the family. Now your papa now you can go they follow they sleep with. Me you reason now. So men they won't be saying some men will say they sleep with their children. Well, like what did they think? Which kind of useless spirit did they with them? If you like me say, let me tell you, if you like me say, as the whole world big rich, say that man don't get that kind of a spirit. Maybe the girl now is there for that kind of, maybe the girl now there for that kind of house, Say maybe he don't fair everywhere, as he don't fair everywhere, he don't see to take satisfy himself. Now, papa be the last person when we say go do that kind of thing with. Imagine that kind, you imagine, say maybe say you be woman, you get children for house. So you not fit trust your own children with your own papa because say they fear me not go molest like me not go you can't hear story that touches the heart from what TV say you do with the children. So if you not fit trust your own children with your own husband, when say you marry for a house, like who you go fit trust, who go fit take care of your pikin? Like one reason, who you go fit trust, who go fit take care of your pikin? And not believe say aside from my husband, maybe relative, when say want take care of your pikin or your mom want take care of your pikin, that one are just like supplementary. Like the main permanent person who's supposed to fit take care of your pikin. When say if you like, maybe say you travel go anywhere in the world, if not be your wife, now your husband, now go fit take care of the children. So that kind of a thing now will be say. Now your papa now you can go stay with, like you can go sleep with your papa. Now you and according to the story. The guy comes they talk and say those children will say even see born self. There is big possibility say among all those children will say born so for the man, so say none of them be the man for inside. Another reason we come I want to talk about this thing again be say some guys when we say they admit say they want marry because of money most of the time about this abroad issue. So say they want marry because say the man they for abroad go they send money they coin. Let me tell you, for this life not be everything be money. Let me tell you, truth be told, like what I want to talk now, if you agree with me or you not agree with me, give your comment for the comment section below. Babe, she they listen. You between the age, normally, not be say go come, now fact. Except maybe you no one agree, or maybe out of 100%, now only 2% for this thing, only 2% of women, they happen to. Listen, I'm saying. Between the age of 16, especially when you say you don't know man, not be say go come. Some pikin, this video not be for some pikin. If you get some pikin with you, so if you carry and go corner. Or maybe go sleep for inside house. In that social between the age of 16 to 25 to 27, for girl life, between that age range, when I go cut my tongue, that age range from 16 to maybe 25, 26, 27, those age. When you say 16 to 25, shall you see that urge of say, girl, you want day with man, like you want like. If you just need the servicing 247, like some girls don't be say, I not very long go say this girl they talk like this, so this girl can be saying again. I want to see something with that. Oh, I'm just saying that for talking sake. Now you are the follow the talk, so me you listen. Between that age range, so you won't be woman, so you feel testify and not be say go come. Except maybe say you forget that age range of say will be say like except maybe the girl never even know man before. Is quite understanding. Maybe you don't know man, you don't know man frequently. Finish it over that age range, so 16 to 25. So in that age gap, that age range, guess, at that age, maybe the peak, the highest peak of human pleasure satisfaction. You know what I mean? That kind of peak. So when we say the girl go like me say they deal with the as in may they deal with the man like 247. If you like to go in 20 times in a day, I'm saying for instance, so 5 times a day or 10 times a day, as she like. Sometimes it can be once in a day or once in 3 days. But after that piping things or what's not, shall you see that organ of like say you get person we say you want deal with. for instance, you get person who say you want deal with, say maybe say person who say you as you go like, maybe say you deal with person. That is for that age range. So the mostly they like when they deal with person who say now yours for them. So they say put their heads like this for the person's shoulder. Probably maybe get into say probably get into say they want follow the person talk, like you make sure say as in kind of that attention, that care. You sure don't be everything about with the pipe, you know. You see that warmness. So that's if even the pipe itself, the veins, the vibration, won't be say day from inside. It not be like what you feel use normal cucumber do. If you like me to use electric, take one. If you like me to use carrot, take one. If you like me to use yam, take one. It not be like the one who be say you love, the one who say you as in you a friend, the one who be say like you born children for, or won't be say you dey culturally tied to, like normally now that kind of situation now for that girl story now the man don't put money for the woman head. Culturally tied to, like emotionally tied to, make you deal with that kind of person. Maybe the person they at least if you sleep wake up, you get person who say go kiss you for forehead, or person who say go tell you say they are good money, or you tell person you say if they talk, because to even start with self, that woman so now, you don't feel give the girl what you say you're supposed to give the girl. Even the papa self who say they will sleep with self, you don't feel say give the girl what the girl wants supposed to give the girl. It can be say maybe say when we say the girl don't marry now, she feel decide to say okay, you don't do away with those kind of past life. It can be say maybe now out of frustration, out of depression, out of emotionally need or physical need. Now this getting run back to the vomit we say they do before, and because say her husband not come there around, and I know the place where say she say she they go, when nobody go tell look bad. They look out with bad eye to take cut eye, look and wear, or use glass, they look and wear, say, now she they go be that. Because normally, if a person just say they go papa house, which other thing you get to talk again? You're not going to tell other thing to take reason. Nobody just. Now, what they least expected can they happen so? She understand? So, most of the time, we say, those girls now, those women will say they agree. Say they want marry the man regardless. Say the marriage is far, many of them are greed. Now they greed for, as if they too they greedy. What if be man who be saying that the money you dey after? Not be everything money they feel they buy, because this kind of situation. So now I want go with the shame. And the guy go with the shame last. What I even advise, say maybe you be man, you dey for that kind of situation, or you be woman, you dey for that kind of situation. To me, my own kindly advice. Now I want talk with this. If you be man, follow your wife, discuss. If you not say you there for this European side, so for this Western side, so when say you know say you never get documents, or probably maybe you feel you get documents safe. If you get documents, maybe your plans to take go back, you never get money not there for your hand, when you say, if you take care take meet up, or take go back, or maybe the way you take get the document, there's no one who say if you take care of your wife, take come abroad. If you don't say there is no chance at all, there is no need for you to come the waste. Whether the woman and your wife or your girlfriend will say born picky for you, there's no need when we say you can't waste that person's time. Like for you to open up, tell the person the situation. If we say the years, maybe done like 5 years ago, now you take more for us, so it's 5 years, you really believe say the woman already break your heart, or the woman already go pull leg for outside. Now just for you to meet the woman, talk to the woman like for phone. This day they feel they talk for video call. Explain your situation for her. And most of the time, most of those kind of men will say they go sit there for this abroad, so then you can be saying another woman I give the document to. If they happen like that, another woman give the document. If you not go let them tell the wife for me say they for Africa, say na woman give them document for here. If you not go let them tell the woman who say give the document for here, say I bet they get wife for Africa, because if they tell that woman so say they get wife for Africa, now instantly, if na me, instantly I don't really collect the document for the man, because not be the agreement. Before we say we even go off the agreement, say we go marry. Nothing me say in get wife and children for us. She understand? So now for you to tell me the woman, tell the woman say see your situation, explain to her. Say I beg, make she move on with her life. Who born for pikin? If they move on with her life, grandmama, they move on with her life. And as in move on with her life, because the more they take, the more the situation the worst. Tell her your situation, as in tell the woman your situation, say madam beg, I love you with all my heart. But in the situation of how even be, I don't even know when I want to go back to Africa safe. But instead of you to come and waste your time, they wait for me, I beg. They wait for me. I better be moving with your life. If you're allowed, you get to support the woman or support the woman. If na as you get to take support the woman, support the woman. If na anything say you know say you fit take support the woman with the situation, so make sure say I beg. Say you at least give the woman something to take start up with. Maybe say she know you fall back to zero. At least maybe if you go judge your matter, so anybody who say she judge your matter give, you go see they'll see they use it today. Yes, say okay. We know say you do that kind of a thing. So but at last. You see support and you see give her something to take continue with her life, and that one will not stop you to see the at least to take the shake body once in a while or every month. They go they give the woman so money, make they take care of the children, to they support the children. Who say you get that's for that. Say if maybe the man, you know maybe the woman, if I don't wait, I don't feel wait again. Instead of people go they pull leg for outside, I go tell the man say, darling, husband, I beg. This kind of a thing, so I don't understand again. I know say what they say, what they talk go farm, what they talk and what they talk come for farm, not be the same thing. Say as the situation be like this, so my oga, I beg me I no fit wait again, darling. The Thomas them, me I no fit wait again, I beg. You see that I give you between now to so and so time. You give her the time say if you know say if you wait for and last. Or if you tell say you don't get them again, say you want to move on with your life. See, I beg, I want to move on with my life, but I not stop you. Make you know they take care of the responsibility of the children. Because me get my whole life to live. I don't say the agreement also will agree that from the beginning. Like from the beginning, we take agree, do the agreement, but we can't look and say, don't be what we talk, go. We can't talk, come back again. So I beg, me want to continue with my life for a year now. So if you get anything, if you support me. If you see enough, support me. So I beg me, I want to come out. And if you go, if the choice is for you, is that you decide to leave the children with the woman family, who's not guy they stay with before, or depends. You can basically know they stay with this particular man family. So you can decide to leave the children with the man family, or if you decide to depend on your situation. If you know say you can afford to take care of these children, so somebody carry the children. Anywhere you say they go. Any man will say go love you. If you like me, say you born 20 children. Me the children don't get grandchildren safe. If you like me, you born plenty children. Any man will say go love you. He go love you regardless of whether you can get plenty children or not. Another thing again, I want to say advice again, be say you will say they for Africa, so when you there for Nigeria, so we say they for any part of the world. So you there for this kind of situation, so maybe you the fear now say you feel the fear now say if you can't tell the man feel the verse. If you can't say okay, that be the case. They asked me to see him build before. If you to say making him. May you pack one for the house. If you know say you person will say you marry when you marry, but person will say you born children for. See if you get that kind of heart, so my dear sister, before you go even talk say you want to that kind of matter, so now what I go advise you say make you get enough, like enough. For say if you make you restart your life again, and business you want to do, my sister, if you come to this kind of matter, so pure water. Na something we say go fit make come say go dey do they provide food for the house. We say children go take eat. Na something. Na provision store, they see they sell drink for provision. They see they sell anything. We say if they do for provision for house, do one make it till they get food to till they afford to till they take care of your children. If you know say their husband or a person who say you born children for, go fit be the kind of person who say go fit do this kind of thing to you. So start your life again. Man go still love you regardless. Whether you come old or you come fat or another thing, I want to talk again. That reminds me. You know, some people don't be say that if you say maybe man will be say they married when you marry them, the man will still love them regardless. But when you come to that kind of situation, my dear sister, nice up. Like if you fat, diet yourself, slim back in the business. Some people don't say if they're fat, they are extra sexy. Some people don't be say if they're slim, they are extra sexy. Truth be told, Truth be told. If you don't born your body not feel remain the way it felt be before time say you never born. Excuse me. Your body feel not feel be like exactly the way we say your body be before you come born. You understand? So but now you know the way you fit nice up yourself. They still say do better hair. Try. Not be say you go to put on cake, put everything every for face, go to turn like go to mix concoction for your face or go to bleach. No. Like know your points, like when you fit nice up yourself, my sister. May you indirectly or directly put yourself to the market again. Man will say one marry you, go marry you regardless. If you don't say you fat, slim back. If you say fat not fit you. If you don't say you slim, say the thing come over they stress you. Relax your mind, may you eat well. May your skin come out again, may you for fresh. Anyway, bless you for therefore go end this video today. So anything we see you like, but no insult to more respect ourselves. Anything we say, if you really relate to my story, or anything we say I talk, we say you know agree, put you feel free to leave your comment for the comment section below. And please more respect ourselves, more not cause ourselves. You know say I don't know finish, no say just gist. I dey gist. And may you not forget to, if you're your very first time say they come my channel, may you not forget to subscribe. May you share that to your friend, I beg. Your friends, they when they like gist too, like me, when they like gist too, like you. To your sister, to your brothers, they auntie them. May you share them with them. You understand? May the gist for the spread. May the gist for the spread. You understand? So I beg, may you not forget to subscribe. Press that post notification bell so that anytime I say I upload new video, now you go be the very first person who say go know. So until I see you for my next video again, my brothers and sisters, my babe them, my G-stars them. Bye bye.